Hey guys, so today I'm here with a new video, and today I'm going to show you how to make a super nice crop top for the summer, or you can also wear this as a inner wear. So I'm going to show you. So I'm taking this two-piece rayon fabric, but you can also use your old t-shirt to make this crop top, and I'm showing you this measurement for thick body. If you have 36 or 38 bust, then this measurement will work. And if you have skinny body, then I'm going to show you the measurement. Just take 13 to 14 inch, and the length should be same, 8 inch. Now as you can see, all the edges are not same, so I'm going to cut the rough edges from it. So for the strap guys, I'm taking this black elastic, but you can also make straps from this fabric as well. So this is the final look of this crop top, and it's looking really nice. See the pictures, and this is the pictures guys. As you can see, it's looking really nice. And this is the thing you can also wear as inner wear. And now if you tie a ribbon in the front, this will look like this. So you got another style. Thank you for watching.